stress-free day!
Litter on the tracks causes fires, which can delay travel.
Girls are vain as hell.
Whatever, dude.
Hey, how's it going?
Please report any homeless people to a police officer.
Fuck you!
Hello? Yes, this is she.
What if?
Citizens reporting a 417 King on North Rockford Drive.
Damn! 5-0.
A crowded train is not an excuse for inappropriate touching, no matter how tempting.
Oh, fuck!
Citizens report assault with a deadly weapon on North Rockford Drive.
What the hell? You bitches can fuck yourself!
Suspect in sight.
Police! Stop what you're doing! Officer is injured!
Reporting at 245 in northern Del Perro.
Dispatch, you have a location for the suspect. This is Charlie 4. We've lost him.
Suspect last seen in northern Del Perro.
Where did this fool go? Shit!
Dispatch, perfect sight. Moving in.
Shoot me!